If emails are not sending in Wave accounting, yeah, that can stop invoices, receipts, and client communication instantly. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, email sending won't work if your network keeps dropping. Next, refresh the page and try sending the email again. Sometimes it's just a temporary system glitch. Now double check the recipient email address. Yeah, even a small typo can stop delivery completely. Next, ask the recipient to check their spam or junk folder. I mean, sometimes emails are delivered but not visible in the inbox. Now turn off any VPN or proxy. These can interfere with secure email delivery systems. Next, try sending emails using an incognito window. Yeah, this helps rule out extension or cookie issues. Now, disable all extensions temporarily. I mean, ad blockers or privacy tools can block email scripts from running properly. Next, clear cache and cookies. A corrupted browser data can prevent emails from sending correctly. Now, check if Wave accounting is experiencing email delivery issues. Yeah, sometimes the problem is on their server side. Next, check your email settings inside Wave accounting. Incorrect configuration can stop outgoing messages. Now, try sending emails from another browser or device. Yeah, this helps confirm if the issue is device specific. If nothing works, contact support. I mean, there may be account restrictions or email delivery issues only they can fix, and that's it. One of these fixes should solve email sending issues in Wave accounting and get your messages delivered again.